Hello everyone. In this playlist, I'm going to explain more about the electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles, or maybe we can have a two separate playlists for the electric and hybrid vehicles. But few components would be common for both. So yeah, anyhow, we can just follow this playlist, and it will be helpful on understanding the electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles from the system level to the surface level. All right, so it's not like from the surface level to system level, so we are coming by on a reverse way. Like first we'll understand how the system is, what exactly the system works, and for this what are all the parameters that we will be validated on the surface level, and in the middle how it flows through. Say for example, I can give you just a quick example. Yeah, consider a regenerative braking system. So regenerative braking system, so how the complete playlist will be is, for example, again, regenerative braking system. If the topic comes, so how it will be is, there will be an explanation on a mechanical terms, so that you will be understanding, so you'll get a more stuff and more knowledge about the system level, and how the system is really bothers from the software. All right, so software level, so that is also from the test as a tester's point of view, as well as so how the developers develop in their own point of view. All right, so this will be a complete the combo of the mechanical, electronics, electrical, and software level. All right, so in this video, yes, so this will be the playlist. I hope you got it. So in this video, what I'm going to give is kind of an introduction, like what are all the components or the system that we are going to discuss about the electric vehicles. All right, so let me start with the electric vehicle, that is electric car. Once you have a better understanding about the electric cars, that is, say for example, what would be the the power of the charging system, so how much charge it can be dissipate, and the what can be the battery voltage, that is the level, the range of the battery, and how the SOC is, then how the distribution is, so how the power distribution to all the systems, so what are the consumption of the power when it's driving or when it is idle. So all these stuff will be have a look. All right, so let's quickly start with what are the components in EVs. So these are all the 11 the basic components. I mean, it's a common components. All right, so if there is something additional also, yeah, it can be, but these are all the basic and it must. All right, so this, if any one is not in this list, then the EV may not perform no, as expected. Fine. um yeah, so first one is electric motor. It's one of the important, that is, it will take the input and will give the output to the electric powertrain. All right, then second is the battery pack. So it's one of the crucial component. And power electronics, so it includes inverter, converter. So that's what in our upcoming videos we'll be having a separate explanation for each and every component. It's not limited to one video. Maybe, say for example, for the power electronics, so there will be a quick explanation on what exactly the power electronics deal with the EVs, that is how the inverters, converters manage to flow the electrical energy. All those stuffs will be given, and how in software level how it will be, and as a tester level how it should be. All right, I mean, how it should be in the tester level means with the system knowledge how we have to validate. So that's what that's all about. All right, then charging systems, the fourth one, then thermal management system, then electric VCU. All right, so electric vehicle control unit, then regenerative braking, transmission of powertrain, battery management system, that is BMS, vehicle control system. So it includes AC pedal, that is acceleration, brake pedal, then steering, then other propulsion system, and other integration system. All these comes under the vehicle control system. All right, then auxiliary systems, so which it has the HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, suspension, All these comes under the auxiliary systems. All right, so there are 11, so these are all the 11 systems I can say, or these all 11 systems, um, or kind of much needed to to propel any EV, electric vehicle. So this is how maybe the HV, I mean hybrid vehicle introduction can be. So first you have to understand the components. So here you can see these are all the list of components in any electric vehicle. So maybe after some 3-4 videos, how it will be is, if you just look at any EVs, you can really find out what are all the systems. So for example, you can easily find out where the BMS is. You can really come to know how the powertrain looks in the EV or in the hybrid vehicle. So that's what the intention of this playlist and of our video as well. All right, so yeah, that's all. And if you want to learn something more, or something specifically you want to learn, yeah, this is what I want to learn in EVs or in hybrid or in any stuff, you can just leave a comment. We'll try to get back as soon as possible. All right, so stay tuned and we'll get back to you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.